Guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss some common interview question that recruiter might ask from you from the Python list. For example, first question he might ask like how we can find the longest string in the list. So simply let's move for this cell upward. Okay, longest string in the list. Okay, actually we given a list of string and we want to find the longest string in the list. So we know that the best time complexity we can hope is big O of n. So this is the best time complexity. And since we have to check each string length at least once, so simple method is by using for loop. This is a standard approach to iterating from a list. We can perform this operation. For example, I have a list. My list is equal to Ukraine, Russia, YouTube channel. Shift enter. Print this list, my list, shift enter. Okay, this is our list. So my task is to find the longest string in this list. So simply is this program, you can just think like someone asks from you to find the maximum number from a list of number. So simply what we do mostly declare a variable maximum and then we compare every element in the list with that variable. So we will do same here. So for example, define a variable longest string is equal to empty string. Now run to iterate from this list, we will use for loop. Simply for string item in my list, enter. So if length of, for example, if length of this string item, actually this will iterate one item. So if the length of this item, the length of string underscore item is greater than the length of longest string, length of longest string, then in longest string we will replace this string item. Longest string is equal to string item, and at the last we will print longest string. Press shift enter, and here you can see it have find like, okay, this is the string whose length is maximum to all of these strings. So that was the first question. Next question that recruiter might ask from you, like how we can reverse a list in Python. Reverse a list in Python. Okay, so the intuitive solution is to iterate the list in reverse order using a loop. Of you can use for loop or while loop and create a new string iteratively that is reverse of original string. But Python provide you can say the standard function to reversing a list. So for example, my list is my underscore list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so Python list provide a function reverse. So to call this function my underscore list, first of all, print this list. My list, shift enter. Okay, this is my list. Now, if I want to reverse my this list, simply use the reverse function my list dot reverse, and at the last simply print my list, print my list, shift enter, and here you can see we have reversed the list simply by using this function dot reverse. But you are thinking, is it possible that we can reverse the list using a slicing in Python? Yes, it is possible. So for that, First of all, simply copy this, paste here, shift enter. Okay, this is my list. Now I want to reverse this list using slicing. So simply reverse list is equal to my list and double colon and -1, print reverse list, shift enter. And here you can see we have reversed the list by using slicing. So we have two options. Either you can reverse the list using a reverse function, or you can reverse the list using a Python slicing. Next thing he might ask from you, how we can remove duplicate values from my list. For example, my list have some duplicate values. So how I can remove that? Simply, first of all, remove duplicate item, make it heading, shift enter. Okay. So there are many ways to solve this problem, but the simple solution is to use the set, because set do not allow duplicate value. The solution to this problem can be made more, you can say, the readable by using a set. So simply number underscore list is 1 comma 1 2 comma 2. You can, here you can see that we have the duplicate values 2 3 4 5. Print number list, shift enter. Okay, here you can see we have the duplicate values. So by using the set, we can remove these duplicate values. Simply print number list, and to convert this into set, we can call the function set, and now we have make this set. So after converting this list into set, we will remove these duplicate values, but we want our output as a list, not as a set. So then we can also convert this set as a list, and at the end, shift enter. Here you can see we have removed the values. Actually, let me explain. First of all, this is my number list. It have duplicate value. To remove these duplicate values, I may convert this list into set. When I convert this into set, it remove all duplicate values. But I want my output as a list, not as a set. So for that, I convert this set into list. So this is my output. Next thing that recruiter might ask, like how we can convert a list of characters into string. Like we have a list of characters, for example, NAVEEDAHMED. So how I can join all these characters and make a, you can say, one string. Let me write list of characters to string, make it heading, shift enter. Okay. So character list is equal to N A V E E and D. Okay. So now I want to convert this list of character into string. So we have the Python function join. So simply result string is equal to, it's the empty string. Now I will join this list, character list. So character underscore list, print result string, shift enter. And here you can see we have convert the characters list into a single string. So that's it for today. If you like the video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video.